Ever wondered what it takes to harvest a 100-foot titan? In this channel, we dive deep into the most powerful forestry machines on Earth. Experience the thrill of modern logging technology. This is your front row seat to mechanical mastery. You know, when things get tough, nothing beats having a solid crew at your back. Teamwork makes the dream work, am I right?
Oh, no,
Whoa, it's like a creature coming out of the woods. The Terex PT-110, paired with the Denisimath mulching head, works like a tree magic machine. In just seconds, it can transform a tree trunk into a heap of mulch. That's the power of modern tech. Looking for a wood grinder that's tough and efficient? Meet the DuraTech HD9. Powered by a 275 to 300 horsepower engine, this machine can tackle heavy-duty wood waste with ease. Got big branches or roots to process? No sweat. Its wide tub and advanced hammer system ensure fast and reliable performance. Tired of complicated wood waste management? Here's your solution. I certainly wouldn't hire this guy if I needed to chop down a tree. This tool right here is what I'd call a Stump's worst nightmare. See that pivot point? That's where the magic takes place. It gives you the leverage to yank those stumps out with ease. And those sharp edges, they cut through roots like butter. If you've got a land clearing job, this is the tool you want. The recovery of that Scania R 730 timber truck is a perfect example of heavy-duty towing. Take note of the precise rigging and winch points. These are key to avoiding any damage to the truck's chassis and drivetrain. As for that unmistakable roar, it's the iconic Scania V, probably a 16.4-liter turbocharged diesel engine, cranking out more than 700 horsepower. Have you ever looked at a big old tree and wondered what secrets it might be hiding? Well, sometimes those secrets aren't so great. Thankfully, we've got some incredible people who ensure those massive trees come down safely without causing any harm. There's a new powerhouse in town, the Cord King Model 48. This beast is a steel titan powered by an 80 horsepower John Deere engine, built to devour wood with ease. I watched it chew through logs and spit out firewood faster than a squirrel preps for winter. And paired with the John Deere 6100 tractor and frostbite grapple, it's like having a robotic lumberjack assistant, always ready with the next log. The Cord King Model 48 is hands down the ultimate firewood making machine. When I think of dependability and versatility, the LKT82 is the first thing that comes to mind. With 130 horsepower packed into a compact, agile frame, it's a powerhouse that's easy to handle. Throw in the advanced controls and center brake, and you've got a skidder that's just as enjoyable to operate as it is efficient. This isn't just equipment, it's a true field partner. Think log splitters are dull? Think again. The HF 800 2-speed is a powerhouse, delivering an impressive 15,000 foot-pounds of torque. That's more than enough to make even the strongest oak shudder. This beast doesn't just split wood, it takes control, crushing one log after another. Prepare for a game-changing wood-splitting experience. Amazing. Achieving this level of accuracy and control under pressure takes expert knowledge of both the equipment and the surroundings. Truly outstanding. The Hockey Pilka Easy 50 is a heavy-duty firewood processor designed for high-output performance. With a splitting force of 30 tons, it can handle logs up to 50 centimeters in diameter. Its dual power options, PTO and electric, offer versatility for different work settings. The built-in splitting wedge and dust removal system improve both efficiency and safety, making it a preferred option for professionals.
Guys pulling on that rope over there.
Let's just say trees have their own way of keeping life exciting. They love throwing surprises your way, keeping you sharp. That's all part of the fun, isn't it?
It's going, it's going, it's going!
When it comes to navigating rough, muddy landscapes, the Valmet 830.1 is your go-to machine. Capable of handling up to 9 tons, it's built for peak performance in challenging conditions. This powerhouse makes muddy terrains feel like a breeze. With impressive strength, it effortlessly takes on up to 9 tons, making it the ideal choice for demanding tasks. Who would have thought that watching trees being chopped and sliced could be so fascinating? But there I was in Oppenau, Ramsbach, totally hooked on the whole process. This guy, Muller, had this wild machine called a frame saw, and it was tearing through these giant logs in no time. The noise, the smells, the raw power. It was like a perfect blend of destruction and creation. Those guys are luckier than I realize. The APOS debranching machine is built to streamline the removal of branches from conifer trees during logging. It operates by clamping the tree trunk in place and guiding it through a set of rotating blades. This automated system greatly cuts down on both the time and manual effort needed compared to conventional debranching techniques.
A správne má byť ten stroj ukotvený.
Want to take your harvesting operation to the next level? The John Deere 1270G with the H415 head is a game changer. It combines power, precision, and efficiency to help you make the most of every day in the field. With advanced features like intelligent boom control and a rotating cab, it's built to maximize productivity and keep you comfortable. Don't just take my word for it. Give it a try and see the difference. North Carolina's timber industry plays a vital role in the state's economy. Combining extensive oak forests with advanced technology, it sustainably meets market needs. This sector highlights the efficient use of renewable resources to drive regional economic growth.
the moment he knew he fucked up.
You're out there battling a big stump, and it feels like forever, right? That's where the ransom shark tooth comes in. This American-made powerhouse cuts through stumps like butter. I was blown away when I saw it work. It splits stumps and helps with harvesting, all while keeping the area clean. It's a game changer for land clearing. I need the address for where I can buy this chainsaw, ASAP. The TST 800 Tower Yarder is designed specifically for timber hauling on tough terrains. Built for accuracy, it handles steep slopes and tight areas while ensuring logs stay intact during transport. It's a dependable choice for operations that demand precision and efficiency. The truck's momentum is remarkable. Even with its substantial mass and somewhat slow response time, the vehicle exhibits significant power. If you're considering upgrading your sawmill, the VTZ-OPTIFAST is definitely worth your attention. Equipped with cutting-edge sensors and computer vision, the VTZ-OPTIFAST analyzes log dimensions and optimizes cutting patterns. Its high-speed automated bandsaws provide precise cuts with minimal kerf loss. Built for continuous operation, this system can handle a variety of log sizes, making it a flexible solution for sawmills with high production demands. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know what you want to see built next in the comments below. Until next time, keep building, keep creating, and keep pushing your limits.